This lesson is 12.8 in Go Math homework. If you look at example 1, it says 6 minutes is blank seconds. So remember, we're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, so we multiply. Okay, whenever you go to big, from big to small, you multiply. If it's the opposite, from small to big, everyone write this at the top of your page. You divide. Okay, because they went from a big to a small, they're going to multiply. Now we just have to think, okay, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So they're going to do 60 times 6. If you did the basic fact, you know 6 times 6 is 36. And it's 6 tens, and anything times 10 has a 0. So we put the 0 at the end. Okay, let's look at which problem in the first section. Number 4. Okay, so we're going to go from a big unit to a small unit. So we're going to multiply. Write that time sign on there. Okay, how many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. So we write 60 times 9. Find the basic fact and you multiply. What's our basic fact? 6 times 9 is 54. And because it's times 10, it's 6 tens, we put a 0 at the end. All right, add the 0. Very good. So 9 hours is 540 minutes. All right, let's look at the next section. Which problem should we do? Next section. So the compare using less than, greater than, or equal. Which number?
6.
Number
6.
Let's do 7. Okay? Number 7. So we're going from a big unit to a small unit. So we're going to multiply. Now we just have to think. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. So we write 60 up here. Everybody writes. All right, now basic fact. 6 times 3 is
9.
6 times 3 is 18. Count the 0 and put it close by. So 180 minutes compared to 300 minutes. Which is larger?
300.
300 is larger. So 3 hours. So 3 hours is 180 minutes, which is less than 300 minutes. Okay, let's look at the next section, problem solving. Which one should we do?
Let's do 10.
Number 10. Okay, here we go. Let's read it together and do cube. And go. Jody practiced a piano piece for 500 seconds. Bill practiced a piano piece for 8 minutes. Who practiced longer? Explain. Okay, so Jody practiced 500 seconds and Bill practiced 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and do big to small. So 8 minutes equals how many seconds? Well, we're going from big to small, so we're going to multiply. How many seconds are in 1 minute? 60. So if we did 60, normally we'd put this up here. So 60 times 8. Find the basic fact and you multiply. What's 6 times 8, everybody?
400.
Yeah, 480. Good. And there's a 0 there because 6 times 6, 60 is 6 tens. So, and anything times 10 has a 0 at the end. So 480 seconds. So we're comparing 480 to 500. Which is bigger? 500 is bigger, right? The question said, who practiced longer? Well, we know because we underlined Jody that Jody practiced 500 seconds. So we answer Jody practiced longer because, and we have to explain, because 500 is greater than 480. All right, let me just talk you through number 12. It says, explain how you can prove that 3 weeks is less than 24 days. Go ahead and solve for that and then just explain, and that's you proving it. Okay, ready and go.